Building and strengthening your core in your 30s can feel tougher than it should, especially with work and tight schedules getting in the way. At this point, it's all about focusing on a simple, high-quality workout routine, one that delivers excellent results, even without using any equipment. In today's video, we'll be showing you all the moves that make this routine so effective. Stay tuned and enjoy. Number 6. Bicycle Crunch. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Place your fingertips gently against the back of your head. Stiffen your abdominal muscles. Press your lower back into the floor and pull your shoulders back and down. Lift your knees so your shins are parallel to the floor. From this position, exhale. Draw your right knee toward your chest. As you drive your right knee in, extend your left leg at about a 45-degree angle. Twist your upper body to the right, bringing your left elbow toward your right knee. Then repeat on the opposite side. Complete at least 10 reps per side. Number 5. Russian Twist. Sit on the floor and lift your feet while keeping your knees bent. Straighten your spine at about a 45-degree angle, creating a V shape with your torso and thighs. Reach your arms straight out in front, fingers interlaced or hands clasped together. Use your abs to twist to the right, then back to the center, then to the left. That's 1 rep. Continue for at least 10 reps per set. Number 4. Mountain Climbers. Begin on your hands and knees. Place your hands shoulder-width apart, shoulders directly over wrists. Step your right leg back into a high plank position. Then, step your left leg back to meet it. Keep your body in a straight line, spine neutral, gaze just in front of your hands. Now, using your abdominals, bend your right knee toward your chest. Step it back. Then, bring your left knee in. Alternate your legs quickly and smoothly. As one moves back, the other drives forward. Keep going for at least 10 reps per set. Number 3. Elbow to knee crunch. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head. Bend your knees. Thighs and hips form a 90-degree angle, calves parallel to the floor. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Hold that position. Now, twist your upper body, bringing your elbow to the opposite knee, while extending the other leg fully. Hold for a second. Return to start. Then switch sides. Continue for at least 10 reps. Number 2. Dead Bug. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Let your shoulders and lower back sink heavily into the mat. Draw your shoulders down away from your ears. Lift your arms, elbows over shoulders, fists facing each other. Now, lift your legs, knees directly above your hips. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg until they're just above the floor. Bring them back up and repeat on the opposite side. Continue for at least 8 reps. Number 1. Reverse Ab Crunch. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, calves parallel to the floor, feet relaxed, suspended in the air. Place your fingertips lightly behind your head, elbows wide, chest open. Now, use your hips to lift your bottom off the floor, bringing your knees toward your chest. Lower your hips with control and repeat. Complete at least 10 reps. What's the biggest thing holding you back from being consistent with core training? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips.